Hey, how are you? Today I want to show you how to make your bed the right way, right? So how to make it to where you could preserve your mattress. So my mattress is like practically brand new and I got it a few months ago, but it's like totally beautifully well kept. And I'm going to show you exactly what I do to keep my bedding comfortable, clean, gorgeous, cozy. So let's go. So what I do is I actually have two of the same mattress pads, and this one I wash like every 2 weeks or 3 weeks on the bottom, and the one on top of that I wash every time I wash my sheets, because believe it or not, your top sheet is really not much protection. So whatever germs are on your body that are going into your sheet are going straight through to your mattress pad, and that's why I use two mattress pads. So I didn't wash this one today because I washed it last week, the one on the bottom. So keep in mind, we got a mattress here, we got one mattress pad that I wash once every 3 weeks, and then the other one I wash once a week. So there's two mattress pads. Okay, so that's the key so far. So let's get that on there. Great. So what's next? Let's talk about your pillow. So some people use a pillow cover, but you could also use just a pillow sheet, a pillowcase actually. So actually I use two pillowcases, and that's just because it just keeps the pillow fresher, and then you don't have to wash your pillow so much. So I wash my pillow like probably once a week, and I change my pillowcases pretty much almost every day. So I'll sleep on it like this way, and then I'll switch it like that for the next night, and then that's it. 2 nights max. I'll take the pillowcases and put them in the dirty laundry and put on fresh pillowcases. I have like 20 extra fresh pillowcases waiting for me. So I just love that like hotel lifestyle where your linens are always clean. So I really take the time to do that. All right, so I didn't wash my pillow like this morning because I washed it last time, which was a few days ago, and I keep extra pillows on hand. And by the way, I like to use these really fluffy, gorgeous queen size pillows. So I don't really have a brand name for you, but it's just, they're pretty much down alternative. So that's what they are, and they're so fluffy, and they hold your head up nice. As you can see, they hold your head up real tall. So your head sinks in like that. So it's actually perfect for your posture. So I already put a clean pillowcase on here, so we're gonna hold off on that right now. And now we're gonna go for the fitted sheet. So this is pretty obvious. We're just gonna put the fitted sheet on. I'm using a nice baby blue today to match my pastel baby pink bedding set. So we'll put that on. So how often do you wash your sheets? And did you know that your bedding, the way that you keep your bedding, if you keep your bedding clean, is a direct reflection on how you take care of yourself? Now you must be thinking, why is that? It's because your bed holds a lot of germs and you must clean it. You must change those sheets. You must change those pillowcases. I know that seems pretty common sense, but I'm here to tell you, just in case you were wondering, and that's how it works. By the way, I had a really long hot bath because it really sucks to wash your bedding and then get in your bed like sweaty. So that doesn't work. Not that I'm going to bed yet, but when I do go to bed later on, I'll be really relieved because I'm clean, my bedding's clean, and my breathing is better. So that actually has an effect on your health, your pillowcases. So some people don't know, and I'm here to inform you. Some people do not wash their pillows, like ever. I've even talked to health professionals who didn't even think of it. Some people don't even think of it to wash your pillows, okay? So, I'm sure a lot of people are grabbing their pillows right now and throwing them in the washing machine because it helps your breathing. So a lot of people aren't aware of that. Okay. So by the way, it doesn't matter which way the top sheet goes. You could actually put it on like where the print side is on the bottom. That way when you fold it over, it's perfectly pretty on the top. The design is on the top. So that's how I'm going to do it today. All right, so let's get that top sheet on there. I like it longer on my side of the bed because the cat doesn't need all of this to cover her up with. She just doesn't need anything over there really. So I make it longer on my side of the bed. All right, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so what's next? We have, let's put the second pillowcase on. So you're wondering again, why do you use two pillowcases if you wash your pillow anyway? It's just so my pillow can stay fresher for a few extra days without having to wash it. All right, so yeah, I wash my pillow about once a week. I'll switch it out. So let's get that nice second pillowcase on there. Perfect. Oh, it just smells so fresh. Oh, I feel so great. All right. So now we're going to just, I always put like the open side over there. That way I know whether I flipped it or not. See, here's the open side because when I flip it, the open side is on this side and then I'll know in case I forget. So the open side goes over there. All right. Now, some people do not wash their blanket, believe it or not. Can you believe that? Like some people don't know, and I'm not mad at you if you don't know that, okay? If you don't know that you should wash your pillows and that you could wash your blankets and that'll give you a whole nother clean experience, a sleeping experience. Well, I'm here to remind you, to inform you that it's perfectly acceptable. As a matter of fact, it would be a great idea if you wash your blanket every time you wash your sheets, because the blanket collects a lot of dust. And I don't know about you, but I do not sit on my bed with my street clothes, like ever, 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 ever. I think that's gross. So it never really gets that dirty anyway. All right. There we go. Look at that. So that's also down alternative, by the way. So this is actually a designer, beautiful, I don't know, it just washes so perfectly. It's so fluffy and cozy. So there we go. And then I like to fold it down like this. I like to give it a little fold, just like that. So please put in the comments, is this the first time you've ever heard that you could wash your pillow? Or put in the comments if you regularly wash your pillow. I'd like to get some feedback on this. And are you aware that your breathing will be a lot better if you do wash your pillow, because your pillow collects all kinds of gross bodily fluid and you do not really want to like breathe that in on a consistent basis. So a lot of people don't know that. So please let me know if this is your first time hearing about this, or if you are a veteran wash your pillow, wash your blanket, wash your mattress pad. And this is a live video on Facebook, so if you're coming into this late, as in the title, how to preserve, how to keep your mattress like new, actually use 2 mattress pads. So wash the mattress pad with your sheets weekly, and then the one underneath, wash it like once a month. And that'll just keep your bed absolutely pristine. So, all right, I think we're all set here. And now this is how I make my cat bed, okay? And yeah, that pillow's clean too. Everything I have is clean. I literally get a hot rag and like wipe down my like seats, the couch. So I love to be clean. Now I'm not like obsessively clean. I'm just perfectly clean. So let me show you how I make a cat bed for those cat and dog lovers who let your pet, your furry friend sleep with you. And this is what I do. So first of all, from a kitten, I designated her side of the bed. So sometimes that changed which side of the bed depending on where I lived. But in this house, this is her side of the bed. So that's because it's further away and it's just easy for me to go to the door and the bathroom. Okay. So what I do is I make like, I fold over a blanket like this. I fold it over like, kind of like the long way. And I'll make like kind of a cat bed for her like this. So I'll do that underneath the sheet. So I'll make it like a cat bed shape. That way she has like a pillow, like a support for her neck. And then I'll use another one just to support that foundation, like around her head. So she has also a pillow to sleep on. So that's underneath, okay? Then she has her own blanket. So she sleeps on this sheet part, and then the blanket is perfect. This is like such a cute blanket for her. It has little pom-poms on it. So my cat loves this blanket. It's so soft. And I'll just put it like this. And then she can go to bed anytime she wants. See that? She's got an area to get in there, and she loves to keep her butt warm. So she's got her blankie. And we're all set here. So that's it. So that's how you keep your bed in great shape, like new. And that's how you keep your health, your lungs, your skin, just your breathing overall on your pillow, and just everything, the total package, the total clean package. So since this is live on Facebook, if anyone has any questions, then please put it in the comments and right now, and I'm going to answer any questions that you have. And if not, then this is a wrap for today. I love you, and thanks for the subscribers on Facebook. Thank you very, very, very much. I really appreciate you. And I'm going to go in my subscriber group and also on YouTube. Follow me. Also, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. I'm going to be also going into my subscriber group, member group over there. So it's like, oh, member, follower. Basically, it's free to subscribe on my YouTube channel. And if you want to join as a member, then that's the paying monthly subscription. And here on Facebook, following is free and subscribing is paid. So there you go. Those are the technicalities of it. I just love you all. Thank you for being here. I miss you. And I will see you in the next video. I don't see any questions, but please do share with me your bed making habits. I would love to know. I would love to hear if any of this is new to you. It's kind of crazy because I like help people with hygiene, and some people just have zero idea that you actually can wash your pillow, your blanket. You know, it's just like, I'm just so happy to share this information because you will feel better. Just imagine sleeping on a pillow that you've had for like 2 years that you have not ever washed. Imagine that. Imagine the germs that are like seeping through, like a steam, like a germ steam bath coming up, you know, through the heat that your body produces, like into your skin, into your sinuses. So yuck. Please don't do that. It's so funny because one time I spoke to a medical professional and she threw out all of her pillows. I'm like, well, try to wash them if you can. And like next time I spoke with her, she's like, no, I just got rid of them all. I totally bought all new pillows. So yeah, please practice good hygiene. I love you very much. Thanks for being here. Again, if there's no questions from my Facebook fam, and thank you for the stars. Thank you so much. I see the star senders. Thank you very, very much. I love you. And I'll see you in the next video. After I get a good night's sleep. But that's later. It's still early here. And Pacific time. It's only 5:40 in the early evening, late afternoon. All right. What do we have here? A gorgeous bed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you.